Hey, what's up guys? The other day I was visiting the utility company's scrap bins, and yes, there were no insulators. That was interesting. There were just some suspensions, but I don't need any suspensions anymore. But I found a little haul of interesting stuff. One of them is just right here. This is a voltage tester for high voltage power lines. This one is rated for 12 to 24 kV. This will be pretty interesting to test. And yes, there's nothing on here, so in the scrap bin I was searching and I found the bolt. So I could actually connect the bolt in here. It fitted pretty good. So I took the bolt with me and put it in there. Otherwise I couldn't go get any contact. Yes, it's pretty hard stuck, which is good. I'm gonna test this later. But before we do that, I will show you some other stuff I got. I found two of these low voltage surge arresters. This looks pretty interesting. I have never seen a surge arrestor like this. It's an ABB 1.1 kilovolt, and yes, the continuous voltage is 280 volts, so low voltage. I don't know where these things has been used. There's some like antenna looking thing on here, but in the bottom here there's a little recess. You can see some bare metal. So I think there's some kind of wire that went through it, some antenna wire maybe. So it's pretty interesting. I'm going to do a little tear down to see what's inside, or maybe even test them. But this will be in another video. So before we test the voltage tester, I found some of these things which are pretty interesting. Why people throw these things away, or actually why this company throws these things away. Look at that. There's a lot of these cable shoes, cable connections, with the gel and everything inside. There's a little plastic cap here. So I remove that. It's pretty hard to remove them. So there's a plastic cap, and inside we can see maybe some of the gel which protects the cable. This is for copper and for aluminium. So that's actually prevents any moisture to get in and damage the connection. That's pretty good. We have a gel inside and everything. Why are they throwing these things away? They're brand new. There's a full bunch of scrap bin. And we've got even more. Look at this. We got smaller ones. 50 square millimeters. That's the wire that I use for batteries. And 32 square millimeters. 35 square millimeters, sorry. So yes, lots of them. Why are they throwing these things away? But actually, I'm better not saying that so much, because if they heard that I'm saying that, they will not throw these things away, and if they don't throw these things away, I will not get them. That was a bit funny. Yes, let's test this thing and see if it works. I have already put a new battery in it. In here we can see the beeper, some LEDs, and a push button. Yes, so long it works. So yes, I think I need to test it and see if it actually works. So I actually don't shock myself when I test it on something. I put it right here, like so. Here we go. Let's try it out on the PT. I'll turn its light on first. Yes, you can see that's pretty good. I maybe put the camera here. So you can maybe see the LEDs underneath. Yes, here we go. And I'm going to turn the thing on. It was the insulation transformer. The PT. Some red LEDs are blinking in there. It actually works on the plastic as well. There's some Corona. So this works pretty good. I don't want to damage it. So yes, it's in good condition. Awesome. Unplug. So that was very good. So I removed it. So yes, pretty good voltage tester. And now I'm just going to open it up very quickly. Not completely, but a little bit. So you can see how it looks inside this plastic. This actual terminal. And here's the little sensing unit itself. Top head actually moves around, and in there's the battery. There's one of these normal 9 volts. And slide it in there. You can see there's some circuit boards. There's a metal can, and I put this circuit board. It's a flexible circuit board around it, and actually, like inside here as well, there's a little circuit board on top. A bit hard to see it, but actually a circuit board in here that the two connections are on. So there's this thing actually a piece of metal can with some circuit board, actually plastic, soft, flexible circuit board around it. So it's pretty interesting. So I put this back together again. This will be good in some high voltage experiments. So you can see when the high voltage stuff is turned on. So yes, thanks for watching.